India's COVID-19 death toll climbed to more than 278,000 with a record 4,329 fresh fatalities, while the single-day rise in coronavirus cases stood at more than 263,000, the lowest in 28 days, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated today. The country reported more than 263,533 new cases in the span of 24 hours, taking the total tally of COVID-19 cases in the country to more than 2 crore 52 lakh. A total of 2,59,170 cases were reported in the span of 24 hours on April 20th. The active cases further reduced to more than 33,53,000, comprising 13.29% of the total infections, while the national COVID-19 recovery rate has improved further to 85.60%. The number of people who have recuperated from the disease surged to more than 2 crore 15 lakh, while the case fatality rate was recorded at 1.10%. The landfall process of the eye of the extremely severe cyclonic storm Taukte, which had hit Gujarat coast in Saurashtra between Diu and Una around 9 pm, ended around 12 am on Tuesday, the Indian Meteorological Department said. There is no report of any casualties so far. The state government had shifted over 2 lakh people to safer locations before the cyclone. In a relief to the people, the IMD, in its tweet after midnight, also announced that Cyclone Taukte has weakened into a very severe cyclonic storm from the extremely severe cyclonic storm. The entire eye of the cyclone has now crossed the coast and lies over land. The rear sector of the eye is now entering the land, the IMD tweeted. The place above which the eye of a cyclone crosses is designated as the place of landfall. The process of landfall in Gujarat started on Monday around 9 pm with the entry of the forward sector of the eye of the cyclone Taukte into the land near the Union Territory of Daman and Diu with a wind speed of around 150 to 175 km per hour. Search continues for 127 people who were on board barge 305 that first went adrift and subsequently sunk at Bombay High, some 175 kilometers from Mumbai, after de-anchoring as Cyclone Taukte's fierce wind speed created havoc at sea. The barge on the path of the cyclone had 273 people on board. The Navy's Eye in the Sky, the P-8I aircraft, is airborne and looking for survivors at sea. A slight improvement in weather conditions has enabled naval helicopters to fly overseas. Sources in the Navy say that there are many who are in the water adrift since they would be wearing life jackets. The entire medical system in villages and small cities of Uttar Pradesh is at God's mercy, Ram Bharose, the Allahabad High Court said on Monday while hearing a PIL over the coronavirus spread and the condition of quarantine centers in the state. A High Court bench of Justices Siddharth Verma and Ajit Kumar made the observation while taking into account the death of Santosh Kumar, who was 64 years old, who was admitted to an isolation ward at a Meerut hospital. The doctors there failed to identify him and disposed his body as unidentified, according to a probe report. In another instance of BJP leaders raising questions on the UP government's handling of the COVID situation, party MLA from Sitapur, Rakesh Rathod, has said that he might face sedition charges if he spoke too much. विधायकों की हैसियत क्या है? हम ज़्यादा कहेंगे तो देशद्रोह, राजद्रोह हम पे भी लगेगा. What is the status of an MLA? If we speak too much, then we too will have to face sedition charges, the MLA said when he was asked why the trauma center project in Sitapur district was still non-operational, according to Indian Express.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.